One of my students recently asked me the question during a revision session, is it possible when you create a new lead or have a new lead to process before conversion to put notes to the lead with details, and then when the lead is converted to be able to see those notes on the account, the contact, and or the opportunity? The short answer is yes, you very much can. There is a fantastic feature in Salesforce that allows you to do that. So I'm going to show you how to do it and to set it up right now. I've already set it up on a different developer org, but I'm just going to show you where it is that you're going to be starting from if you're in a brand new developer org or you're in a production org where you have the old legacy setups in place. Now, I'm on the lead object here, and this is displaying the intelligence view, which I don't like at all. So I'm going to get rid of that and select list view. And then I'm going to pull up all open leads and navigate to this one here, Betty Bear. She is from this company, American Banking Corp, with these details, and the lead is working. She has been contacted. If we were to inspect the page layout, if I first of all go to Edit Object and I go to Page Layouts and we look at the lead layout, the notes is not in the related list. Come down here, and in the related lists we've got activities, activity history, campaign history, and this other one here, HTML email status. And ordinarily, what you could do is you could go to related lists, and then there is this feature here, notes and attachments, and you could drag that on and you could use it. But I'm going to step in straight away and say, don't do that. That notes and attachments feature is very old, it's legacy, and it's not the best way to do it anymore. There is a new method for using notes, which is a thing called enhanced notes, but it won't appear here because we need to enable it in the first place inside setup. Now, jumping back to the front side, looking at the leads tab, obviously there are no related, this is a brand new dev org and there's no activity, so there's nothing at all to show here in this related area. If I was to go to accounts, and I will just navigate to no particular account, just pick one, Burlington Textiles will do. On the page layout is slightly different here because the related is either in view or hidden from view if we select details. So the related lists are down here. There is one contact, but if we scroll down, we see notes and attachments. And that simply means that on the account page, this notes and attachments feature is already dragged on and is put there by default. And that will be the same for the contact. Notes and attachments is here in the related area on the contact object. And if I was to jump to the opportunities, from opportunities, I'm looking at the Burlington Textiles opportunity. Here we are on the record page, and the related tab is separated out on its own area here, and the notes and attachments feature, it shows up. So the notes and attachments feature shows up by default in developer orgs and probably most production orgs as well, unless people have configured them to go away. Whilst notes and attachments is there, don't be tempted to use it. It's not the right one. It's legacy and it doesn't work anywhere near as good as the enhanced version. Let's look at how we get to the enhanced version and then the adjustments that we're going to need to make to the page layout so that it is displayed at all times. In setup, you want to type notes, and then it comes down to notes settings, which comes under, curiously, this sales menu heading. So we click on notes, and all we have to do is, it says this enhanced version of the Salesforce note-taking tool allows users to take better notes faster. Enabling notes, you'll need to complete a few additional steps. So the additional steps are that you will have to add it to your page layouts. And if you have the notes and attachments legacy one, the best thing to do is to take that off to avoid user confusion. So let's do it. We're going to click on there, and then we click Save. Save has been clicked and the feature is now enabled. Now Enhanced Notes is enabled and I've already tested it on Betty Bear and converted her, so she's no longer showing in the leads. So we'll pick off Bertha Boxer from the Farmers Co-op of Florida and we'll go through the process there so that I can show you. This lead is in working and contacted, and you'll notice here that there is a notes area on here, not notes and attachments. How did I do that? Well, that was really very straightforward. Go into the object manager and edit the object, or show you how you can edit the object to enable that. So if you're on the leads object already in the front, you can click on setup and come down and then click edit object. Or if you prefer, you can attack it from the direction of the object manager here and then go in. It leads it to the same place. It's just a different navigation. Right, so I'll do it here because it'll take me there in one step, straight onto the lead object. Like magic, it's opened up the object manager on the lead object already for me. And where I need to be is page layouts. So we click on page layouts, and the standard layout that I want to do, you can see that I've already edited it, but so I'm going to show you what I did. So open up the lead layout, which is the one that feeds the lightning pages. And in here, if we look down, you can see that in the related list, there is this thing called notes. So when you want to make adjustments to the related lists, you need to click on the related lists part of the layout editor here, and then all the possible related lists that you could have are in this little tablet here with these items that if they're grayed out, that means they're on the list already, but the ones that are not on the page already are up here and ready to be dragged. Now, look at this. Notes is here. That wasn't there before because it wasn't enabled. So I'm looking at the lead object of another developer org where the Enhanced Notes feature is not enabled. So the related list only allows me to drag on the notes and attachments. Obviously, that's not the one I want. So over here, the notes you'll see is there and it's already on the page, and I placed it at the top for convenience. On other objects, notes and attachments is already there, so you will need to remove it. Leads, when converted, will feed to making a new account, a new contact, and a new opportunity. So we want to adjust the account object. And if I go to page layouts, click account, click related lists, then in the related lists, we see that notes, it's already there. I've placed it on already. But the notes and attachments, I removed it. You just click on the remove button there. Basically, I did a swap. Notes replaced notes and attachments. And I have done that also on the contact and the opportunity page. I've populated a note here, test enhanced note, Bertha Boxer. Bertha Boxer is keen to understand delivery timelines and product pricing for our emergency generators range. Please email her product details ASAP. So notice that we can do some rich text formatting here. It's not just the old plain text. You can have bullets, numbers. You can even attach an image. Remembering, we are just on the lead object. These details don't exist anywhere else on the platform right now. And we click done. So there's the note. It's saved into the lead. And now we're going to go ahead with the conversion. We select the converted status, and we know that we don't have the Farmers Co-op. We've not done business with them before, so we're going to, in the conversion process, we're going to create a new account, a new contact, and a new opportunity, which, notice this is a hyphen here, so it's inviting you to give it a better name. So we're going to put emergency generators. So that gives a clue as to what the opportunity is about in the opportunity name. All right, we just click convert, and by magic, our lead has converted and it's created 3 new records, which is the account, the contact, and the opportunity. And this lead will disappear from the list of open leads because the conversion has been completed. Let's follow it up. I'm going to go to the account page. Here is the Farmers Co-op. We'll click on here. And the Farmers Co-op is showing Bertha Boxer as the related contact, the related opportunity of the emergency generators, and down here, the notes. It has come through. There is one note, which we just did a second ago, which is talking about please send her the product details as soon as possible. No cutting and pasting. By magic, that has populated through. So we can go to Bertha Boxer's contact record, and lo and behold, here's that note again. It's come through. So wherever you are looking at this, you're going to see it. Oh, let's check opportunities. Click. The notes, the related area is over on the right-hand side, this time on the opportunity page, and there's the note again. So that is a lovely feature. I would encourage everyone to use it.